What's up, YouTube? So today, I'm gonna replace the seal in the water pump. So this is right here, holds your coolant, which goes down into your engine here. A water pump pumps it through the engine to cool everything off, right? So I've pulled it off already to cover and clean this, which you've seen in previous ones. And I've actually pulled the old water pump out. I've left it assembled. I'm gonna show you how we put a new one in. So follow me in. All right, guys, here we are doing this in the house. So this here is the water pump itself. So this end is in the motor, and as the motor spins, it spins your pump, which circulates your coolant through the engine, okay? So some tools you're gonna need for this is obviously you'll need your seal kit. So this is a rebuild kit from Tusk. You'll need some snap ring pliers, like this, to get this piece off. You'll need some grease to grease the new seals. And then depending, you might need a socket to drive the old ones out and put the new ones in. You'll want to use a rubber hammer or something. And then installing them, you can pound them in, or might try something different. I'm gonna try using a C-clamp with a 2x4 to press them in. So we'll see whatever the best method is when we get there. But anyways, I left this together so you can see how it goes in there. It literally comes out like this if you were to pull it out from the case, right? So this is how it goes on the engine. Pull it out. Now it's not gonna come out in one piece. This shaft, well, I'll just take it apart and you can see it. So you'll use these snap ring pliers to put in. I don't know if you can see, there's a little ring right here. Yeah, there it is. Right. Anyways, so you'll take these snap rings, pliers, there's these small little holes. There we go, and you squeeze it. And then that's the ring right here. See? That's what I'm talking about right there. So these you'll want to replace. And then it comes apart like this. So these are the inner bearings that we're going to replace. Pull those out and set them right there. And these are the seals. Now it's very important you pay attention to how they go. So there are two sizes here. So your actual spindle or pump comes out. You have this one. This one goes on the outside. The outside of the pump, okay? Inside's flat. And so you want this kind of lip part to be facing like that. Okay, then there's a smaller one. So the flat sides go back to back and it goes like that, okay? Okay, perfect. So old ones go over there. This we're gonna reuse. Here's the new kit. It comes with new bearings so we can get rid of these old ones. And there's a metal washer or spacer that goes in between them. Okay, so there's the smaller one, there's the bigger one, here are the two. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grease these real quick. Here's the grease that I'm using. It's all, you can get it from Rocky Mountain. I'm just gonna dip it off camera and pull it over in. I'm just gonna make sure that this is all greased up, nice and good, like everywhere. Okay, so again, emphasis is the flat side's gonna go face down in there. The open side that I just packed the grease into is gonna be facing towards you guys. So you can just push that in like that. Okay. And actually, that's actually pretty good. Just putting more grease in there. There we go. All right. So the first one is in. And I'm gonna flip this bad boy over. Like so. Grab the second one. Put some grease on this one. Nice and good and greased. And then again, flat side's gonna face down. You want the two flat sides to touch and the open end to be facing towards the innards of the engine. And that one just slides on in. Okay. All right. Then the first bearing, we'll go ahead and pack that with grease. Spin it. Spin it. Perfect. Okay. I'll put that one there. Okay, so yeah, it's a tight fit. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to press that down in there. A little crooked there. Hold on quick. All right, let's see if we can get this bad boy in. So I've got this here, and let's just try tapping her in. Okay, let's try maybe the press. Okay guys, the pressing method didn't work. I was off camera doing it, so I'm just got the 2x4 under here. Oop, sorry, you might not be in screen. Got the 2x4 under there, and I'm just tapping it in this way. So I'll just keep going, I guess. she goes. Okay, then the spacer here. Yeah, giving up on the spacer fits in there a little bit easier, huh? Thank goodness, eh? Let's pack this one here. This one's the new one. So we'll just grease her up. Just packing the grease. Grease is good for your skin anyways, it hydrates. It's the man's equivalent of lotion. Anyway, I'll just tell myself that makes me feel good about getting grease all over my fingers. Okay, and I'll just wipe off over here. Okay. That one went in a lot better. And see how that looks. Tell you what, guys, I think we're in. Okay, so now we got those bearings all greased up and in. Then the circlip, or whatever this thing's called. I guess it's not the circlip, I'm thinking pistons, the snap ring. Oh wait, I gotta. There we go. And this just slides down. Is it in there? Well, I don't quite put it in there. And there you go. Nice, good pump. We're good to go.